Hello, 101.5 FM.
Pausima Edusia, Agudia Hosavania, and Yanumiano, Yasu Kodia Nanope, Yadi Bravo, our Ayako Coach, but you also somewhat Joakim Kim, or no, or Tiakudema, and your odd Dantani, and Yamani, Nansabedi, Yamana, Samia Fisam, and Spanish Supercopa, and Ramach Baku Etoja. Valencia, Rumari Shoma Kamiansa, Emamo Etimba, Kwene, Barcelona, Atletico Madrid, Mark, game because so, our King Abdallah Al Jawara International Stadium, no, and Susuno, our Abu Dhabi, na Champions League, and any challenge, match, Sibu, a Bibremo, Diano, and then no Carabao Cup, semi final, second match, and so next our King Poston, and Romani Aston Villa, one more equity, of course, European transfer news, Dodona, Ewaha, Yano Payadu, and some Yadi Ebro, yet is if Ghana Premier League Star Times once again back to Batan. They say TV right now, Yadiama Star Times $5.23 million for 5 years. And Ora Ketoke couldn't the FNO almost 8 minutes Star Times as I deal. Maybe now Cosina Jachuano was I on my chairman Pucano, almost a after so much Chamueno, or Masana Star Times as I translate as I new deal. Ghana, no, 80 and pay Yabeka and some P. Now, Premier League, so you remove our match day 3, Klaus now Babuano, and also Class A and the city here. The Chateau Zakariasen was it what the Kotoko called Ghana Football Association. Sans a Kotoko for Edinica. Na eka Kotoko for Dino, Okakabumua. Nese and $12,150,000. And Lunisika was so warrior Eddie Efri Kumasia Santuko Toko. When you Semiaka, I don't know, Payanu, yes, in Konya, Ayadi, Bramo, the Dentiano.
Ya ready, ya set, ya babon como pa, sports on a paco, dear dinner that na Ebushamama, yes, Shasia, Eofie, na Yoko Yamanane. Yes, Shasia, Eofie, the near Shasia, Ewa Kutukubo. Boxing Moon Como Essence Ghana Boxing Authority from 24 at the Krataba Bontin say Obibia Wokaka or Boxing Muno or Mama no copim who be a match Busumi Nede Tosabia Sabako if you premium no any you know on the 31st of March 2020 Obibia Wokaka or Boxing Mubiano also had no baby renew license yes I dear one more Emma won't to assume do Juma or a boxing Juma Diamond. Yenimi say Ghana Boxing Authority and Kubata we share to a boxing who no man now Ghana memu say na ene afibia ne se no omra ne on chise city no afibia I say obi a oya boxing agent promoter oya boxer oya a manager matchmaker trainer referee judge timekeeper, seconds keeper, ring marshal, MC, Wobibia Okaka, El Bossy Mubiana, Fibiano, also call a GB Abubuano now renew license. Nano and so I'm a GBA Secretary General. Or Patrick Johnson, one also the Krataba, but say a sharp people from us say no more SR Kai, a boss in the bush according to BM say, Obia Sharon so now who be encopim 31st March 2020. Obia Mary new license now on to us so ending the Juma El Boxing. When the Boxing cra if we Ghana Boxing Authority, Abu so eba and ano pay. Yebe so not yet in some Ediaba, not yet twaso in some Kakra, Edi Abba Nebusha, yet twaso diana. Yanko Ghana Football Association so Abubuano Sansa GFA president Ora a cat Debedia no.
Is there a cat? Yes, Okreku.
Cat yes, Okreku.
Cat Edwin Simon Okreku.
Cat Edwin Simon Okreku. Aha, cat no. Me abi kromni obeni yo.
Oba juba.
Yo.
Oba juba.
Me kromni cat. Aha, ona me kana semi. Na de atia ne say cat and abon homode ama enei. One FIFA fampan fa kodin komo nyina wie ama ne ebo baba ne chese FIFA fampan fa jatum so mo baba be support Ghana football am ya fa ntuma pa efra after 2 years almost 2 years of football absence e o mamu asey Yenimi say abra announce expose eba bonte football kwabu e o mamu asey no kama say football ho tutu nyina call form no nyame adrum ama say ato aba enya new GFA president racket yes okreku one down no nka beto ya nche se wo ba na eko FIFA abobo ano kosra FIFA na terminal one FIFA fampanyi for ene ka wo fampanyi for akodi nkomo nyina awie ama se de emu odupa ana FIFA fampanyi for ne CAF e de ebre Ghana emu ani bi ebefa akoni asa wo bebre so bi be technical and logistical support a che se yen me che se yen coaches how do more memu say ene yen GFA football administrators more memu say no wamu ebenya ntiti ahodo so kokra e de FIFA fampanyi for ne CAF fampanyi for eno na chi akade bia de bobo so bia na Ghana be hia bia no FIFA fampanyi for ene CAF for so apply support say onwe ma Ghana na etimi asahye football ni biem na etimi aboni ya wenin kra ora keto kreku e de eba abonte eno adua abra oni setwefo din komo na wo bo enchiremu na anu anamon bia otu ya okwa amonane ekosa CAF fampanyi for ekosa FIFA for ni hundwumadi a okodi yo ho etiquette sese de FIFA ne CAF abagana na orba say logistical support any technical support bia e behia edi agro ni ye no wo mo ede be maye afeya to so wo GFA abobo anu anum GFA at the press release about Bontia and Redia no more sa press release about Bontia the Omoka nyina say they say officially Ghana football 2019-2020 Yashasia Premier League for Anashasia no television right holders one bet me a Premier League a FA Cup ama man saying na ahwe kubekwa din at the Star Times Mufanchame yenimie Star Times edikai ene old GFS contract mfiedu ananka omo na eba ekai TV no ekai ball no mfoni akọ TV so ama mansa nyina ahwe ana expose ba ye ema sa contract no ekoda baabi ekọ ebibia on ma ekoto osuom na onyame adom new GFA president Racket yes okreku enso eba ye What Minister Times one penny for Atnasia Sinkunya, Edinkitan Wama Bibia, Korea Payam, as I said here, Wamasadi, Wamusashi, Apam, for France, Bima, Star Times, Ebe, Yef, Abbas Eden Sasha, 5-year agreement contract, as ya, one anebe official. A television right holder at the Ghana Premier League any FA Cup in Club Abato Janches in Fear Numia Denim Aisha CFE 2019-2020 Ghana football Premier League any FA Cup Sebeban for Niso Ama Masayina Namasayina Jatum no Star Times and a crowd official right Nesika Chuchi or Mudia Shemno $5.25 million. $5.25 million. And only Sika Star Times at the Emma GFE.
$5.25 million.
I know in Fianum Sika and Omodia Maya. Say, Yabi Kaya League.
And another question the near saying.
At the Ebika FA Cup. I'm saying in her.
Consider 17.95.
And only 10 years.
10 years. 85.25 in a Fibia 1 million.
I'm one commerce and no calculation.
That means just say, I don't know much about it.
Well, how are they?
Baku, come when you went to us, Baku,
Baku, they say, that Baku, that's your class in the Catafino. Who are people classing? Executive committee member. One more class here, Baku, and the Catafino.
Agbetomeno, Edipanya.
It's where I cut us with BSO. And you $5.25 million, 5 years contract, and the nay GFA from paying for the Star Times before Eddie Monsasha contract yes, yeah. They say Star Times every client born no ye league near FA Cup. About TV so mama saying no na Ghana football so no etimi aya kono na aya krabehe ama saying na we so no enkra efi ayem panifa so abobo anu so no eba ene anopay ye to so e won sefu from no official match officials for Ghana Premier League day 3 ni nyina ba beto dwa so a encha mo beti se kwakupo kudi ho nkomo e de ebre ne so no House of Folk ebe host to ebusuado house kwasi ada bay Accra Sports Stadium nanumu ana ama House of Folk for auto yenka se yenka mama nsan nyina anti se on tika mo baji ogeta no emfa won se house team na enko yie de na so si aje bia no e so obuji sika kakra ogeta no eti se sika panifo se mo baji ogeta no aba kwasi ada mo host to ebusuado house Accra Sports Stadium no it's popular stand 10 Ghana cedis center line in lower VIP 20 Ghana cedis, upper VIP 30 Ghana cedis, and a VVIP and 50 Ghana cedis. Into we has the Takosia de open so co team no send our city dia and a boy who said we wait you from 10 Ghana cedis to 50 Ghana cedis away and then create free as from pay for Honum so by ye kama Mansati. Shannon so Ghana Premier League, any a league Division 1 League, any a Man League, any FA Cup. Official TV rights sponsors no Star Times at the end. Now so radio rights no GFA 4.4 say one of the major radio stations. So I'm going to share more on the road and until number 1 media house. Despite media house. Hello. 101.5 FM. You can't be near the market no. And home come on Baba chess officially. So open Premier League home come on. FA Cup hon komo e Ma League hon komo kasafidie ya so ana beti hon seminar ati hon interviews outdoor and hon exclusives outdoor nyina officially GFA are recognized said despite media radio media partners of GFA for Ghana Football League afa ye beto aso kwako the fish chasing neba dem komo ba ko ebobaba efia Asante Kotoko so ne chese Kotoko former coach Shuttle Zekereson. Why not just one Kotoko Betchman so the Anunti 100 Wamani lawyers, a Kruche Krata, Aqua player status committee, and a GFA status committee so more and Canasem and family sunset. Asante Kotoko for Fakotiko so na Pamno, or SACC na, or Pepatasikabia and Famano. Shuttle Zekereson. And one in a lawyer complain on Mukology, GFA status committee, no, and some more air car, Mukriche good cat house when they say, Wamosi Kotoko, Yomoka, $12,150. Abra obedi Bosumi na epe, Ebeye Kotoko coacha, Obey a Juman, I want you, Obey team, no, Nashetes the Kerry,
team number 7.
What's it? Let you know,
that was also a
Kotoko Denica, $12,150. $150 big so now breakdown in here was a Kotoko de Cabo so maybe salary and no $9,000 it piano now Kotoko $3,000
no man $3,000 hey
you my foot at Tyler and
there's some muscle comment 10,000
sound was you pro rata or see pro rata salary we so came and we November there $1,200. I say Abra Kotoko ne Kano players boy yeah. Ono so winning bonus remember kakra became $1,000. I say Abra Kotoko ne to abo Africa and also winning bonus no so kakra kemu and also na $500.
No tell me Kotoko free.
So kakra because ne kakra became $500. And no na chen oba Ghana ha the phone calls how do ye call the chrome bi ko Cote d'Ivoire and na bushia for Cote d'Ivoire and bi ko baby bia no e bo ne ka $450 $50 obi nim say no come center dia
close to 60 million 60 million course nko dia no enti akeka say sika we nyina abom no Shete Zekereson say Kotoko de ka $12,150 and no other answer GFA status committee. Ghana ni lawyer so na di na nim say o magic free Ghanaian club.
Opafo didi.
Ghana ni lawyer di na.
So your Opafo
no word obey.
Where di Palma Kotoko kwa de was Kotoko tua. And the $12,150 was so original. Kufu at the free Kotoko from page for her. Winning sema Shete Zekereson ono so di aba ene anope.
True no di aba.
Or the abend or the aba or the Monica dining kiss in Aba. The moment they said also trust or train watching the Sika. Face here. My any Jacka can have a good quiet card idea. I want to some fun come out in Amra. Now ye DJ idea. Yea, Minya come the tenants or semi DJ. You wait a year dupa. Cobra.
Okay. Shall Ghana just said yes, Sarah from Froka, the team of Froka.
Go away and pay you for come.
I will see for what you
want then. The deal. Hey, Kwaku, come over.
I start boy with Kudipo. You never not start boy, Premier League, boy. You romo our week 3. na Victoria be hia se memenda wo Carindorf Park no Dansoma Liberty Professionals wo mo ene mediama eye big match pa referee Alfonso Atiapa ono energy referee Efifi Papala Patrick e wo line 1 Emmanuel Day e wo line 2 ana fe Bismarck Apia eye 4 referee match commissioner no yesro mo court no mo sesa no weekend yi fama match commissioners no court mo di ko match centers no ya na ha adwene mo fo so twa to social media jese de nam yasi afana nyina ebi court and soon Jen is always a dress night, and I'm dressed hanging. And we are hajre. Nani sure I'm not paid. More than I as often get to a baby. I had a hajre. It is so much commissioners, no, or more. Omo dress no o mani nye decent kakra for my match commission we hear so much no aye Joseph Yeboa Champo yeko aye Kosiada Accra as folk wo mo anya bisa drafts e wa Accra Sports Stadium Latif Abdul Kade one ene kwejire 15 sanso ana Emmanuel Dolagbanu e wo like 1 Paul Dosu Sean Paul me akasa Sean Paul ono e wo like 2 and afa Akusi Martins and so 4th referee ASA do match commissioner ye ko doma Ediana Stars make him Faisal and over koso Kosiada Abdul Latif Adari and the kwejire 15 Halilu Al Hassan e wo like 1 Ali Tamwa Ba e wo like 2 na fe Eric Sefaintri 4th referee match commissioner no Mark Kondria sanso so ane be piemu ababanya Sports Roma Kumasi Asante Kodokode Brekum Chelsea referee Charles Bulu and Nigeria Fifi Kwesi Brobre like 1 Roland Adi like 2 Julian Nunu 4th referee and afa S Odro Nyakon no enso match commissioner on the address na ya na yepa on was washing African way kama and by force be court sans court no mo cherukana na ebi ha adwen ye ko boase Asante Kode 11 wonders and also Kennedy Paddy and Nigeria Fifi Isaac Odum like 1 Jasper Adenyo like 2 and afa Salom Akpogbe enso so no 4th referee match commissioner no Kwabena Sapon Yakob Chema na Fosuji Abo Park and so be Chema na Accra Great Olympics Thomas Alibu and Ekojire Fifi Kura Augustine like 1 Dawson Peter like 2 Musa Mubarak 4th referee and afa GTSK Inkum thank you GTSK Inkum ono match commissioner yekopiemu Dawu Theater of Dreams FC omoni Legon City Daniel Lai and Ekojire Fifi Courage Kudiafia and so no like 1 and afa Balangula Stephen like 2 Marcel Hansen 4th referee and afa William Gidiglo and so no match commissioner Carolina Inter Allies Kosiada Watakwa na game no say any city Rostom Sonagbe and ebejina Efifi Sanso and Kofinya ko Bakai like 1 Shine like 2 Philip Ataforsen 4th referee match commissioner Moses A Mensa Elimina Sharks Indus Stadium no one more any wafa Benjamin Sefa Nigeria Fifi Isaac Asante like 1 Alex Osam like 2 Emmanuel Sean 4th referee and afa Ayiri Bano ono so and ekwakoye match commissioner eno enso eno no na be chemi na chere sita for say wo mo e ka chere owura kinsilo so chance no more relegation almost omo ka chere kinsilo so cha omo pe relegation bi afi enti onye team no oye a wonye nie eno ne supporters omo be che omo nkra mato yeso ye kama owura kinsili so cha ne be chemi na ten pen for na omo chairman na no so omo ko ye mpreko dia team no agama omo so omo ka so omo pe relegation ya but owura George Amuako uncle George Amuako and so there's some kakra to so no Executive Council of Ghana Football Association or start time deal no your jeta na chichun komo amodon some kakra to ja
as member I haven't gotten the details. I cannot make any comment. I was not at the meeting, but I think a proper aim was taken to arrive at the decision. Entry of was in the details as I am too critical. Then I'm going to compare and Timuka saying, last year, what they should have provided, what did they provide 2 years now? Tests to say, Astro Tests, they were supposed to deliver one Astro Test every year. OB van, when they done, we factor into consideration. Now, when you are signing a new year, you have to be more pragmatic and more down to earth in that new contract. Let's study it carefully before we become too critical. I'm telling you, sir, no, I wasn't at the meeting. One can't say we're well started in coming in.
Okay, and you know the meeting I say. In the only day, on the benefit of the doubt. And of course, when we be name Master Tefano or Case, sometimes I know Kura question the personal. Nay, within 10 years, this one so. Ebian Cassian Combe, intended young fence you. Yet also near Yaquan, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, yes, and Nana Kwasi Jambi Koka, or Kokacha Alexis Didi. Arnold ana fe Georgia Bege say ebeya ye mo omunji sika bi na omo anfa mani chebe fufuro sansa nya de kotoko no ombebo biem na eno so busa owura Georgia Mwako say Georgia Bege ene didimu omo nsem ne send city.
I've seen a lot on the social media on these two players. I was personally involved in the discussion with the two players. I'm sure that after talking to them, they themselves conceded that they were not making it in Kotoko. Their performances were not up to the Kotoko demands. They accepted it. The only problem was how to see them off. Meanwhile, we have a clause in our contracts with them which specifically says that if your performance is found to be not good enough, we have the right to terminate your contract. It is there in the contract and it was read to them and they know. The only issue with them is how much to pay to them as compensation for them to leave. And that is what we've been haggling about. But I think it's been resolved and we will see them off in the next couple of days.
Ntienche omejo kwan eno so ka foforo na aba Georgia Bege onso so omo sika ombeje ni sika kitu okojo omo so dia ya se dingramu de ni bia kotoko kapari ekosusro omo ha no makofa kaba asemni na yebuisa ora da wako se so ni Yakuba de kwa no se na no so sitie
say Canada man sana Yakuba as we speak now no the contract to Kotoko is a Kotoko player. Now when you say football there, do baby obi anya better bargaining cheaper. When you make kasa aya net. Well so far no what you want to know your player in term it's very cordial and the boy is picking up beautifully. He has expressed the interest to continue. We have also expressed the interest to have him continue. A limiter but to go to me and I also saw one aspiration. It is hoping say you get to me meeting aspiration.
Enti efi samre kopim epo kra de emre wom omo guso ekasa ebia na Yakuba yese kwa omo se ni dim na ni post and bibia asasa ebia na kojo watimi asasa na adwene no assign contract extension but na yeso yetete se office bi eba no eya manager asasa but ye bompai na Kotoko chita fo no so bompai serbe ya Yakuba beka owura Thomas Nunu ono so edesem kaka to Jaffa ye referees omo ewo mamu o se ya konya kura so ye referee e be bodin se afi Premier League ebo no bedibi
asodi nyina yeso say o say man yi because so unya opportunity say league no be bibia ene o say utie nyina yenim na o say nya e de ba na no atwem no atwem ko nya e we nim ye hwe ento mu performance nya yi papa so mu ye ni yi na ye nyina kunbie no e ka omo a e be ka ye nso e sheda nya anything different wa o hwa be bia ye fie wanya kwenya sa kwenya be die me na nam so referee yi enu ani ade foforo aba se omo a se so mi kogina akono no omo obo hu se omo na obti referee nim and that is the biggest motivation won na also wo ye ni yi
Boshe bisusu wo ho ya enu so owura Thomas Nunu ate ho de a kire gina se Ghana Football Association na owura Ketekroku da no aso mo bo se match commissioners and as match officials omo de omo a report ba saka ye boko seramachi omo de ba kwasiada na acha ye brada ekodu kwara so no omuzika ne betua e de amomo eno so kire musika
no ye gina ya haye na new FA so oba omo so ha omo na no ye nyomu hia ye ento omo de plan ato ho se ne kakaka no obeyi saa ekadada no efi ho afi so omo so de plan aba se omo so be clear no se ne eno arrears bia e hye dem enti we believe in what they have said omo so nim say be fi by eba no e ho otro ma sisia no be bi oba o so yi nyina yi ehunu na kese football no akoso kama
ti sa enhia na wo honom dada se referees ne ekwa wo ma ne betuo wo ma se ntiade e na afi so mo accommodation no sa enhia ne da so ho ana matumi revise no
ye pese ye revise no but this time ye students no we are looking for ways because na FA nan kasa of the ways on betumi yi fi ho na ye ka ye no they are looking for ways ananka say accommodation bi kura no pe hotel ko wa ko da ho
let's just allow system na Still our sister no money answer no. By any new year crowd we say quite an appointment first so about weekly matches midweek matches send appointment was appointment ni no still na we F is every phone appointment.
F in Egma. If you go into other jurisdictions, you go fair FIFA and share na but yen system no rag na the kind na ye boa F no seriously ye boa pa. But when it comes to F referees committee any omo appointments na F in Egma into rag ni input bia wom kura one no mo yo mo nyoma senior faster no say bia ye no from the back ni you say you might be a touch man then we can draw the FA's attention say bia if he say we go yi as for the appointment of referees and that kind of thing solely FA man
mo na mo ye rag no leaders enti obi besusu say sebio enye papa
nanka obisa question kan be busa because rag for now point referees na FA for no munim referees no and I point on the search as bulu ba hey FA for no munim as bulu rag for nim no but still have such as bulu mra interne dem say chire beka wansem
ya so ofie ne akwamana ne edia Dr. Hassan Abu Gabal Secretary General de Sudan Football Association wa confirm chire say James Kwesi Appiah former Blaster head coach wo mo ene ni din komo amadachi bia no komo ko wie pay a ebi ono e baba be take over the Sudanese national team no abe coaching omo national team na mo Sudan national team head coach na Zdalgo Lugarasic former Ashanti Gold head coach na see no mapam no a omo new coach na no mu ana enre bia Dr. Gabal ne Central Folding komo no was James Kwesi Appiah coach Kwesi papa mo pe ni ye pa nti omo tie se na no Ghana for say ye hia no my friend omo ni din komo twetwe ni ko wie pe dia ebi Kwesi Appiah ebeba akokochi Sudan national team no me ba also folk team no emuaye mre ama de so ani abra oguso ye recruitment ahwe ativashe team no kena ye de atoso for me ye tie say players ye omo din so yi has for ni omo din komo ama ne nyon so omo ba join for bia team no ama omatimi awie season ye William Opoku-Mensah striker Edema Karela say oni obiem ye say has for ni din komo Abdul Aziz Nuruddin of Vision FC Frederick Ansabotwe on your former Liberty professionals player Anna Entala player Victorian Adebayo woman in a house of podium home coma ebia omo nsabe komo no omo da be bifu the Phobian team yakuya amana ne
and Barcelona and Atletico Madrid and so ball United captain Ashley Young said the Ashley Young is in Inter Milan and tell us so the abato Ashley Young going not for the osa Maximilian Allegri or in English lessons okusia ayebro foka yes Manchester United tomorrow de mano and Maximilian Allegri and the just in English lessons no reading na
tole beko
and said in Mexico no ono ama yes Pochettino and so but there can be an translate here the ebeba.
Hello 101.5 FM